Enable Gemini as your voice assistant on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra or Plus in the quickest way possible. So first you have to open up your Google app on your phone and then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and go to settings. And from here, find the Gemini option and open it. And next you have to select Use Gemini when the pop-up appears. Now tap on Talk to Gemini hands-free. After that, turn on Hey Google so the phone can recognize your voice, and you just have to follow the prompt and repeat the phrases it shows on the screen. Once the setup is complete, you will see the message you are all set. Just tap Done. Now from this page, you can also choose your preferred Gemini voice, turn caption on or off, and finally check the digital assistant from Google option and make sure Gemini is selected. Now go back to your home screen and try saying, "Hey Google, what's the weather in California?"
In Los Angeles, California, United States, it'll be sunny with a high of 19 and a low of 12.
And see, it's working well. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.